Aaron!
What?
Aaron!
What?
I'm God!
No! Stop! These aren't swords!
Oh, yes, they are.
No, they're not. These are hummingbird feeders.
Hummingbird
Yes, you
feeders.
stake them in the ground near your bushes and all. You pull out the little yellow flower, fill it with nectar, stick the little yellow flower back in. See the little perch? He can go right on that perch and drink till his heart's content.
Not if I put it on the side.
Well, no.
Okay.
Put it underneath. And then, see, they come in purple and it comes in pink.
Aw,
And they're so pretty.
So how do you put this in?
Oh, here. You
Just
hold
push
mine.
it right in there.
Yeah, just push it right in there. It's got like a little gasket to hold it so it
wow,
doesn't
that
leak.
is so neat.
It adds coolness to your yard, colorful, and it provides that.
You can put it right in your flower area.
But it still isn't fun